Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion in mobile. First, it's just the same on to your PC. You can access your workspace directly on here, and you can also use the Ask AI. You can see onto the tab choices that the documents that we have, like for example, onto the documents, you can still edit this by selecting the documents and select specific documents. You can also export this by clicking onto the share icon onto the top right. Just simply copy the link or just simply publish this, same as onto the PC. Now, if you want to search a specific thing on the workspace, you can search it using this magnifying icon onto the bottom of your choices. And you can also ask AI to create a specific things for you. Like, for example, create me a database and select on enter. It automatically generate a database directly on to your account using your mobile applications. Now we can copy this, go back again onto the home, and you can paste it directly on to the new pages that you have created. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.